Now we are going to see the MongoDB download. So for that, just taking the browser, just give MongoDB download. Just pick up the first link. It will go to that respective website. Here you can see the Windows 32-bit version. Just just go to the download. It is getting downloaded shortly. Then here you can give save. Then it is getting downloaded here. So actually this is the www.mongodb.org. It's an official website from where you can get the official MongoDB tool. Once it is downloaded, I'm going to extract that MongoDB. So once here it is getting extracted here. So once it is getting extracted, so I have made the just follow the installation instruction here. And after you download, just create a MongoDB folder in C drive. Just take it as C drive and create an MongoDB here. MongoDB here. And after that, here you can see copy the MongoDB contents to the newly created path of and paste it here. So we just copy this. Just go to this tool and copy this contents. Just Control C. Copy this content to the newly created MongoDB folder. Just paste this here. I'm just pasting here. So all the contents will be moved to the newly created folder. After that, here create a folder named data and paste it inside the MongoDB. So just go to that MongoDB and create a folder named data. So once we have done this procedure, we have make sure that all the folders are created in the respective MongoDB folder respectively. And after that, we are going to set the DB path to this path. For that, we have to open the CMD. Just start the run and give CMD. So you have to give cd/. And after that, you have to copy this path. So actually here we are setting the DB path to that MongoDB path to the C MongoDB and data. Just copy and paste it. C MongoDB bin mongo.exe to the DB path. So once you give this path, so it will say for waiting for connection. Your path is set now. After once you executing this connection, you have to run the MongoDB as a Windows service here. So for that, you have to open another CMD, cd/, go to the MongoDB directory, and so md log. So here that folder will be created here in the name of log. So once you created the log folder, all the log files will be placed here. So now after that, here you have to create the configuration file for the log path by means of executing this command. So just copy this command and paste it here. Give cd/ here. Give cd/ here and come out of this MongoDB path and paste it here. Here we are setting the log path. So we are creating a configuration file for the log path. Just give enter. Now after creating the configuration file, we are going to run the MongoDB service. So for that, open that as command prompt with an run as administrator. Just give us run as administrator. So after that, you just in order to install the MongoDB as a service, you just copy this one. Just copy this one and paste it here. Use cd slash and paste it here. Yes, you have to give, in order to run the MongoDB service, give net start MongoDB. So here you can give net start MongoDB. After installing that MongoDB as a Windows service, when you are trying to start the MongoDB service, sometimes we may get an error like it will not be started, that the system error of 1067 may be happen. So it shows that process terminated unexpectedly. So at that time we have to change the registry settings. For that, you just go to the run command and give regedit. So when you give this OK, the registry editor will be open. So inside the registry editor, you just navigate to the local machine, and so under the local machine you just navigate to the system. Here the current control set, and under the current control set you will find the services. Inside the services, you just go to the MongoDB, just click M. You can able to find this Mongo. Here you can see that MongoDB. Just click it, and the right side of this window you can able to see that image path. Double click it. Just take our documentation and just copy this path. So here we are setting a value as, we are setting the log path and the DB path in the registry. So only after setting that log path and the DB path in the registry, we can able to run the process without any errors. You just copy and delete it and just paste it. When you give it, just give OK and save it. Control S, save it, then exit. Once you set the path in registry, you just restart the system. So for that, I am just going to restart the system.